Before watching the video, I invite you to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Here's how to get rid of parasites from your intestines with garlic and apples, immediately. Do you suffer from constipation, diarrhea, or other intestinal problems? In today's video you will learn how to prepare a powerful drink, which will help you get rid of parasites naturally. This drink contains anti-parasitic properties that attack worms and help stop their proliferation in your body. Intestinal parasites are worms that lodge in the intestines and cause digestive problems. Usually the parasites are transmitted by ingestion, contaminated water, poorly sanitized food, and feces in poorly sanitized foods such as salads. So, to stay away from these pests, it is ideal to maintain the balance of the intestinal flora. If you answered that you suffer from constipation, diarrhea, or other intestinal diseases, did you know that you are more likely to catch worms? But many suffer from parasites and do not know it. The main symptoms are bowel problems with no apparent cause, anal itching, bloating and/or swelling of the abdomen, anxiety and/or nervousness, increase or loss of appetite, sudden weight loss, anemia and/or fatigue, nutritional deficiencies, even if you eat well. The good news is that they can be fought naturally with ingredients that do not harm the body. You need papaya, pumpkin and lemon seeds, as well as garlic and apple. They all have anti-parasitic properties which help to eliminate intestinal worms and balance the intestinal flora. Papaya seeds are rich in papain, which helps eliminate intestinal parasites. According to a Nigerian study from Obafemi Awolowo University, people who drank papaya seed elixir eliminated between 71.4% and 100% of the parasites. Incredible, isn't it? Pumpkin seeds also help paralyze worms and facilitate their elimination from the digestive tract, which relieves constipation. Lemon seeds are also rich in vitamin C and contain essential oils with an antiparasitic effect. Therefore, they help eliminate worms in the intestine and enhance immunity to infectious agents. Garlic, in turn, contains antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties, which act as a natural antibiotic against intestinal parasites. And according to a study by Graz University of Technology in Austria, apples contain probiotics that help regulate intestinal flora. Did you know? Now that you know the benefits of each ingredient in the recipe, write them down. 15 papaya seeds, 5 lemon seeds, ½ cup pumpkin seeds, 1 apple chopped with the peel and seeds, 3 cloves of garlic, 1 cup of water. Put the water in a saucepan or a milk jug, add the seeds, apple and garlic and boil for 10 minutes. Allow to cool, then take 30 minutes before breakfast. Always fasting. Take this tea 3 days in a row. Did you like the recipe? If you already know, tell me in the comments and don't forget to like this video. And don't keep this information to yourself. Help your friends and family by sharing this trick with them. I wish you a good health.